Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to start an occasional series where I test out those viral recipes that happen over on the TikTok. And today we're going to do something that has been called corn ribs. And it's really taken off. And it looks like kind of a cool recipe. It looks like it could work. It looks like it could be good. Problem is, it's February in Canada. Not a lot of fresh corn on the cob, so I'm kind of making do with something that's probably been hanging around for a little while. So we're going to start off by making the spice mix. So in this big bowl, I'm going to put some salt, some lemon pepper, some regular pepper, some paprika, garlic salt, and chili powder. And to that, I'm going to drizzle in olive oil. Okay, and I'll just give this a bit of a whisk just to bring it all together. Now the idea is that I'm supposed to cut up this corn into quarters and then toss it in this sauce. Okay. Good sturdy knife. And this is where the recipe starts to fall apart. Because I know this knife is sharp. It might be a little too thick, a little too heavy. So let's try one that's a little bit thinner and see. This is where the technique comes in. Because cutting through the core of a corn cob is a little bit tough. Okay, so maybe a thinner, sharp, sturdy knife is better. And one more time. Keep your fingers safe and into the bowl. Okay, your knife is key. I'm on knife number 3, and this is one of those knives that was sent to me. Super inexpensive, El Cheapo kind of knife. Doesn't keep an edge very well. It's one of those knives that you sharpen, but you have to sharpen it over and over and over to keep it sharp. But when you get it sharp, it is very sharp for a small moment in time. But it's a super fine, thin blade. And it seems to work better than those two blades, which are a little bit on the thick side. So this one slices through a little bit better. These are the things that get left out on internet recipes, the little tricks, the actual hack that makes the hack work. So, almost got the cobs cut. There we go. Anyway, so now we toss these. You want to coat the corn cobs with the oil and the spices. So a really big bowl, and of course, you know, it's going to go everywhere. So be careful. Now the idea is you're supposed to put this into an air fryer. I don't own an air fryer. Of all the things that I own in the kitchen, an air fryer isn't one of them. But I do have this amazing dual fan convection oven with a dual fan roasting function, which should work amazing for this. I'm just going to arrange these onto the cookie sheet, and so into the oven they go. Hey Jules.
Hi Glenn. Hi friends. That's kind of quirky. I'll say that's kind of quirky. I've never seen corn this way.
No.
Or cooked this way.
Chicken ribs. Oh, sorry, corn ribs. I don't know why I said chicken ribs. Corn ribs from the TikToks.
And do I just eat it?
I guess you just eat it. You eat it like a rib. You're supposed to eat it like a rib.
So very ungracefully shove it in my mouth and try and gnaw on it. Okay.
So. What do you think?
It's interesting because the corn's been in there a while, and I will have said that I was a little concerned with whatever you were making with corn, that it was going to be old corn, which I'm not that fond of old corn. Like once it's been off the thing off the corn for 3 days max, I think is.
Yeah. We both come from families where
You grew corn.
don't pick the corn until the pot of water is boiling. Mm-hmm. Then, once the pot of water is boiling, then you go out and you pick the corn.
But this is a pretty good. This is actually, you don't notice that. It's a little chewy, but other than that, the flavor's pretty good.
Well,
Is that supposed to be sauce for top? Like, is that?
it's good.
Is there bacon in that? What
Oh,
is
that's
that?
really good. Diced up chipotle peppers
Okay, that would be really
in
good.
adobo sauce with in a mayo. Okay. I was skeptical. I thought, oh, I'm going to do this, and it's going to be horrible, and we're going to say, oh, what a terrible thing.
That's a surprising, really good
Really good.
for, yeah. That's fun.
Now, you're supposed to do it in an air fryer. I did it in a convection oven at 425 with both fans on the bake cycle. Worked perfectly. You could do this on a charcoal grill. You could do this on a gas grill. You
You
don't.
should use what you got.
Yeah, you don't need to have an air fryer. You could probably just do it in a regular oven. I'm down with this.
It's pretty fun.
Thanks, TikTok. Thanks for stopping by. See you again later.